Hi, welcome to Tech Tuesday. I'm Lynda and today we're going to be talking about mobility scooters, or gophers as they're also known. So the mobility scooter is designed to help you access the community when mobility, fatigue or function issues impact what you can do and how far you can get on your own. You might be able to walk around your home, however going further afield is a problem that a scooter might help solve. A mobility scooter has an array of benefits. So their range, they can go up to 30 to 40 kilometres in distance. They can travel over varied terrains, but that all depends on the type of scooter that you're looking at. And there's also some travel options. So some of them can go onto public transport, and additionally some of them can also be folded to pop in the back of a car. The cost of mobility scooters varies. They start from around $1,500 all the way through to around $10,000, and quite often the more you pay, the more features you get. The maintenance of your scooter is important to prolong the life and performance. It's suggested every 12 months, and it's important to make sure that you aren't stranded somewhere. RAC Wheels to Go is a service that can assist if that happens. Training to use a mobility scooter is really important. You're moving faster than you would on foot or using a self-propelled mobility device, and you don't want to be a risk to yourself or others. Speed, manoeuvrability, etiquette and interaction with other pedestrians and vehicles are important safety considerations and can take some practice. Mobility scooter isn't for everyone, so it's a really good idea to make sure you have appropriate assessment to make sure it's going to suit your needs. And really important to remember that you're a pedestrian and the maximum speed is 10 kilometres an hour. Overall, scooters are a great alternative if you can move about your home but have issues when you want and need to go further than that. They can be a lower cost than some of the powered wheelchairs about and offer a range of options to suit different situations. So for further information about mobility scooters, contact the Independent Living Centre WA, call our helpline or click on the links.